Meet Mia. Mia, who just lost her left arm above the elbow. She feels she has to hide from the world because she cannot be seen like this. This is taking a toll on her mental health and well-being as she is dependent on others for the daily tasks that we take for granted. Mia just found out about the most involved upper limb prosthetic program at Quantum Prosthetic Clinics. She contacted Quantum and made an appointment for a free prosthetic consultation. Quantum educated Mia regarding the prosthetic options based on her goals and activities of daily living. After an insurance authorization is obtained, a detailed evaluation is performed, and her limb was scanned and a custom prosthetic socket was printed in our state-of-the-art 3D printer. Quantum's American board-certified prosthetic specialist fits and trains Mia with a microprocessor-controlled elbow and a multi-articulating digit hand. The arm is controlled by Mia's own muscles and nerves. It's almost like being controlled by her own mind. Mia is now able to live her life to the fullest without seeking any help from others. She can now do all the tasks that need two hands. She is not ashamed of her amputation anymore. Her new prosthetic arm is so cool that Mia wants to show it off in public. Quantum even designed a custom arm so she can participate in her favorite sports activities such as golf and fishing using the prosthesis. Quantum clinics continue to follow up with Mia to ensure ongoing success and well-being. Please call our clinic at 312-300-4472 or go to www.quantumpo.com and make an appointment for a free prosthetic and orthotic consultation.